excited you're joining me. Sounds like I'm always excited you're joining me, and it's true. I like doing stuff with you. I miss your little cute faces sitting with me, doing it with me, and all the jokes you guys make. So I love my favorite part of the day is when I get to do carpet time with you guys, or when I'm FaceTiming or Google Duo with you individually. My favorite part of my day. You guys are my favorite part of my day, so I just thank you. You make teaching fun, and I miss your little faces here in the classroom quite a lot. But let's go ahead. We are going to do something new. We've done story problems and we've done addition. So now we're going to put a couple of things together in a fun way using some of our sight words. And in math, you use vocabulary. Vocabulary is just a long word that means words. Those are the words. And in certain subjects like science, the same word can mean something different in science or reading or in math. So we're going to talk about math vocabulary and what it means in a word problem in our addition, for addition. Okay, so this is our checklist. You can put that off to the side. So here is our first one up here. I'm going to put this down, and actually, just so we don't get distracted, I'm going to cover that one up, just like that. So you can see the top one. So you see some pictures. I want you to look. We've got a barn, and we've got our dairy farm, and then we've got some cows here, and we have our little dairy farmer here, and then we have our lines, and then the word, sight word, and then a place for another number, and is. Okay, so we have, this is interesting, we've never seen a math problem with and is. So I'm going to show you in math what and means, what is means, and when you're doing a story problem, and all that means is somebody's telling you a math problem in a story form. Okay, so there are 3 cows at the dairy farm. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Let's write 3. And there are 3 more coming to the, 3 more cows are coming to the dairy farm. So we have 3, 1, 2, 3, and 3 more cows are coming to the dairy farm. 1, 2, 3. So if we think about that, is our next word we're going to think about. So, if we have 3 cows at the dairy farm and 3 more cows come to the dairy farm, how many cows do we have all together? So 3 and 3. So we have 3 cows here, 1, 2, 3, and 3 cows here, 1, 2, 3. So we can think of this and as plus. Go ahead and write a plus in there. So 3 plus 3, well, let's look at our number line. We like our trusty little number line. So let's do this so that we can see it right here at the top. There we go. Okay, so we're going to put our finger on the 3. So 3 plus 3 is. What do you think that means? What's another thing that we say when we go 3 plus 3? How much does it equal? So is the same as the equal sign. So we're learning what words in math mean. So and means plus. Is means equal. So 3 plus 3 equals, or 3 and 3 is, and what is the total? Okay, let's find out. So 3 plus 3 equals, let's go ahead and put our finger, got it kind of crooked for you, but that's okay, we can see. Okay, so I'm going to put it on the 3, and we're going to count 3. 1, 2, 3. What's the answer? 6. Good job. Okay, so we're going to go slower. This will make sense. This is something new. So something new will go slower. And the more we practice it, the more we'll understand it, and it's going to make it, aha, I get it. Okay, so 3. We've got 3 cows. 1, 2, 3. 3. And 3 more cows are coming. 1, 2, 3. We've got 3. Is 6 cows are now at the barn. 3 and 3 is 6. Or, another way you can say that using our math symbols, 3 plus 3 equals 6. You did really good on that one. Okay, let's do our next one. I'm going to take the bottom sheet and just move it out of the way. We'll put our number line over the top of this one. I want you to be able to see your numbers though. There we go. There we go. Okay. Alright, here's our next one. This has piggies. Cute little piggies. Okay, so our story problem says 2 pigs are in the pen. Okay, so we need a 1, 2. Let's write our 2. And 3 more pigs want to come into play. So how many? 1, 2, 3. Write your 3. So let's read the sentence again. So if we think of and if we were to put our math symbol, means the same as plus or adding, because you're adding more. You have 2, and then we're adding 3 more to get a bigger number. Our number is going up the number line. It's getting big. Is, that's how many all together. How many all together equals. Okay, so 2 pigs are in the pig pen, and 3 more pigs want to come play. How many pigs would that be all together? Okay, so 2 plus 3 equals, let's find out. Let's start at our 2. 2 plus 3, so we'll count up 3. 1, 2, 3. Equals 5. We have 5 pigs now in the pig pen. So now you could say it the same, the whole math problem, you could say 2 and 3 is 5. Or, saying the same way, 2 plus 3 equals 5. And equals is the same as plus. Is the same as equal. Very good. Okay, we did those 2. Now let's move on to our ducks and our sheep. Oops, sorry, I'm knocking stuff over. You can't see, but I can see. Knocking stuff over. Okay, here we go. 5 ducks are swimming in the pond. Oh, it's some little baby ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's write 5. 5 ducks are swimming in the pond. And 4 more ducks are joining them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 and 4 is how many all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And remember, and is the same as saying plus in a story problem. Is the same as saying equals. So let's do our math problem. We'll say it again as our equation. 5 plus 4 equals 9. Now I counted all the ducks instead of doing our number line. If I'd done the number line, I would have just gone to 5 on the number line and added 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. Good job. Okay, let's do our last one together. There we go. It's our sheep. There's a little gray sheep in there. It says 4 sheep are in the sheep pen. Here's our little sheep pen like we in our investigation. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Write your number 4. And 3 more sheep want to come in. There's 1, 2, 3. Let's write our 3 here, around a tree, around a tree. Nice and neat 3. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. And remember, and is everybody, but if you start to learn the math language and what it means, it helps you figure out how to build the equation so you can figure out the problem. Because all a word problem is an equation in story form. Okay, and we love stories. Okay, so let's figure out what 4 and 3 is, or what 4 plus 3 equals. Okay, so let's start up at the 4. You could also count all the sheep all together if you wanted to do it that way. I'm going to do the number line because I like teaching you the number line. This is how we do bigger addition and subtraction problems, is on a number line. Okay, so 4 plus 3, so we're going to count 3 up. 1, 2, 3. How many sheep all together? 7. So 4 and 3 is 7. Or another way to say it in your math equation, 4 plus 3 equals 7. Good job. Okay, one of the very important things that I did not point out, there is no spot that says name, so write your name. So Mrs. I cleared my throat. It's not Mrs. It's Mrs. Duffield. Okay, Mrs. Duffield. D-U-F-F-I-E-L-D. There we go. Okay, thank you so much. You guys did amazing on our story word problems. Our cow duck says, what? So good. Wow. So we're so excited you joined us. Hope to see you on another thing. Enjoy all your different projects and be sure to see me at carpet time. I miss seeing your faces, so that's, remember, my favorite time of the day. See you later.